Hi everyone, this is what's happening this week on DFC's Friction Friday. The 2024 to 2025 Ram ProMaster EV. This vehicle brings electric efficiency to the world of cargo and commercial work, but that doesn't mean cutting corners on braking performance. For fleet operators, delivery drivers, and tradespeople, the DFC 5000 advanced brake pads and GeoSpec Rotors offer the stopping power and reliability you need. Built to match OE specifications, this brake setup delivers smooth pedal feel, quiet operation, and long-term durability. Plus, a corrosion-resistant rotor coating that keeps things clean and professional. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sales sheet organized by make and model.